Now, sir, properties of electromagnetic waves or characteristics of electromagnetic waves. We have also seen what is the nature of the electromagnetic waves, that is transverse nature, where the wave propagates in one direction and electric and magnetic field oscillates both perpendicular to the propagation of the wave as well as perpendicular to each other. And also we have seen there is a sinusoidal variation of electric and magnetic field. Now, there is other properties are also here. The speed of electromagnetic wave in space is given by c is equal to 1 upon under root of mu naught epsilon naught, where is the epsilon naught is called permittivity of free space and mu naught is known as magnetic permeability of the free space. And by putting all these values in vacuum, you can get that is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, that is constant here. So, for the speed of electromagnetic waves in space is this much, that is constant 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. We also take this is the speed of the light waves, because light waves are also an electromagnetic waves, and also electromagnetic waves are transverse waves, so they can be polarized, whereas you know the sound waves are longitudinal waves and these waves cannot be polarized. And also these electromagnetic waves here are their speed in the free space, and also you can say these waves do not require any material medium for their propagation. So, material medium is actually not required for the propagation of electromagnetic waves, as the light wave is coming from the sun to earth, no medium is there in the space. And also we can write c is equal to, according to Maxwell's speed of light, c or the electromagnetic wave, c is in free space related to this E naught upon B naught. E naught is the peak value of the oscillating electric field and B naught is the peak value of oscillating magnetic field. Now, the second property is here, speed of electromagnetic waves in material medium is given by 1 upon under root of mu epsilon, and that we can write under root 1 upon under root of mu r mu naught and epsilon r epsilon naught. So, speed of the electromagnetic waves in any material medium is actually depend on its refractive index, and that is given by this formula. Now, after this there are two other properties are also there. As we know, the electromagnetic waves are here which are having some speeds and all that. So, these waves carry energy and momentum also, so as other waves. So, see here, electromagnetic waves are actually here due to the oscillation of electric and magnetic field. So, obviously these waves have energy due to the electric field and magnetic field. So, electrical energy density in this case, that is U E is equal to half epsilon naught E square, that is electric energy density. So, and also for the magnetic energy density is equal to here half epsilon naught B square. So, in electromagnetic waves, they have got the non-zero energy density and the component of energy due to electric field is this much and due to magnetic field is this much. And also electromagnetic waves carry momentum. So, when these electromagnetic waves strikes with the surface, then they transfer some energy in that case, and there is also the change in momentum you can say, and some pressure is exerted by the electromagnetic waves, that is called the radiation pressure. So, that we can include as the fourth property is here. Suppose if electromagnetic waves are transferring energy u in time t to any surface and these waves are completely absorbed, then we can say the momentum transfer, that is equal to u by c. So, u is the total energy transferred in time t and c is the speed of light in vacuum. So, these are some properties of electromagnetic waves.